What's up, y'all? Your girl is in Indiana. I made it here probably about 30 minutes ago. I already stopped by my brother's place, dropped my stuff off, and now I'm leaving CVS because I needed to go to the ATM. But I'm about to go get some lunch from this Indian spot called Yak&Yeti. I've eaten there once before and the food was amazing. So I'm like, I want to go somewhere where I can have good food, good drinks, and just like set the tone for the weekend. So that's what we're doing. Let's go.
This is the first time here today.
Dining in, yes. This is my second time eating here.
Last time you came over here, right?
Okay, so I'm looking at the menu, and the waiter, he's already very helpful. So I'm definitely gonna get something that has lamb. I'm just not sure which dish. I don't want to do a lamb curry because that's something that I make. I want to do something different. So he recommended the lamb Rogan Josh, the lamb korma. I think he said the lamb kadai and the lamb buna. So many decisions. Let's see. Lamb and potatoes cooked in thick butter, Himalayan sauce, a touch of vinegar. Tamarind. I don't like that. Mild and creamy cashew based sauce. It's different. We'll cook with. Let's see what I decide. Okay, so I was ordering a drink and I wanted a margarita, but my waiter insisted that I try this international beer called Arna. He said if I don't like it, then it's on the house. So we gonna try it. Cheers, y'all. It's not bad, but it just tastes like beer. Like, I don't know. I prefer a fruity drink. Yeah, it just tastes like a Heineken. Like nothing spectacular really. But I'm glad I tried it. So Yak&Yeti Himalayan cuisine treated me so good, y'all. Whoop, sorry. They treated me so good. Great customer service. The food was a 10 out of 10. I can't remember if I said this to y'all, but I had the lamb vindaloo, which was delicious. The lamb was so tender. To be honest, that's the most tender lamb I've ever had. Delicious. 10 out of 10. Samosa, I give it a 8 out of 10 because the dough was just fried a little bit too hard for my liking. Like, it was hard for me to cut it. But the flavor was there. Delicious. I had a margarita. I give it a 5 out of 10. I've had better margaritas. And it was just nice service. You can tell that they were very personable and attentive to the fact that, I was a customer. They really wanted to make sure I had a great experience. So if you're ever in Indiana, visit Yak&Yeti. If you're ever in Indiana, visit Yak&Yeti Himalayan cuisine. And trust me, you won't be disappointed. All right, I'm about to head on over to my brother's house, cool out for a minute. Hopefully my nephew is up from his nap so I can give him some Auntie Tay loving. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm in the kitchen about to boil some pasta because I'll be making my famous pasta salad tonight. It's so funny because this is like a food video diary episode for now. But we're having steak, crab legs, pasta salad, and baked potato. So the pasta salad is my contribution. And after I eat, I'm definitely going to relax because it's already 8:23. And I haven't slept since this morning, since I woke up. So I'm a little tired, but I'm looking forward to eating and mingling with my nephew's other set of grandparents and my brother, his fiance. So it should be a vibe. And then I want y'all to meet Rello's brother, Vice. Sit, say hi. He said hi, y'all. Actually, y'all, if you've been subscribed, watch out, Vice. Just go. If you've been subscribed to my my channel for a while, then you've met Vice before, because I was dog sitting him before. Look at the sun, though. Oh, look at the sunset. So it was just like a mini, sorry, Vice. It was just a mini thunderstorm here and a tornado watch, but the sunset is beautiful. And I actually saw a rainbow, a double rainbow as well. It was so beautiful. Vice watching the sunset.